Want to get discounts on TTC fares with your post-secondary photo ID? Here's what you'll need: a Presto card, an NCT student ID, a letter of acceptance, and a piece of government identification like an Ontario card, driver's license, or passport.
From NCT 740 Bathurst campus, head north to Bathurst Station.
The office is located above the subway platforms but below ground level. Here are the operating hours so you can plan your visit. Make sure to arrive early because the lines can get pretty long. Once you get your post-secondary photo ID, head to the nearest Shoppers Drug Mart and purchase a post-secondary monthly pass for 128 Canadian dollars and 15 cents. Prices may change without prior notice. Enjoy touring around Toronto on the TTC with your new discounted fare.